Hello, and welcome to day 4 of your Acne Workshop. Let's recap. Yesterday, we looked at the importance of holding our cell phones away from our face and washing our makeup brushes. Your homework assignment was to plan a balanced acne regimen for yourself. Your regimen should include a gentle cleanser, a toner with no more than 2% salicylic acid, an acne spot gel or cream with no more than 5% benzoyl peroxide, and a moisturizer that is lightweight. A heavy moisturizer will only weigh down your skin and prevent improvement. I trust that you completed your assignments. If you weren't able to complete yesterday's assignment, you can register to receive information about the solution that I personally recommend. The link on today's page will take you to the registration form. On the other hand, if you've already ordered this workshop's acne solution, expect a personal check-in from me 2 days, 2 weeks, and 2 months from the first day you use it. Yesterday, in step 5, we spoke on our cell phones. I'd like to go further and mention that our hands and pillowcases are also 2 places that can house dirt and that can cause acne. Make sure you always cleanse your hands before you touch your face, and remember to change your sheets at least once a week. Step 6 also focuses on proper hygiene. Women are known for sharing makeup with girlfriends, but it isn't a good idea at all. If you're uncomfortable sharing your toothbrush with a friend, then you shouldn't share your makeup utensils either. Imagine brushing on your friend's dead skin cells onto your face. That can also break you out. Share hugs, not bacteria. Now let's go on to our book and read the last step. Step 7, eating healthy. This is the most important step. Junk food can be the reason why your face is breaking out as well. As for me, I break out every time I drink soda. With that said, I stay away from all carbonated drinks. Test yourself. Cut certain junk food out of your diet for 1 week, and you'll notice the difference. Snack on raw fruits and vegetables instead. Your skin will thank you and reward you with a healthy glow. There are other factors that you must also keep in mind. Drinking alcohol, smoking, and having a high-fat diet also contributes to unhealthy looking skin. Alcohol dries out your skin. This might sound great for those who are extremely oily, but it shouldn't, because that type of dehydration makes the acne problem worse. Smoking does not lead to acne, but it does lead to premature aging on your skin, and you don't want that either. High-fat diet increases the amount of fats in or on the skin. Eating predominantly plant-based, low-fat foods will also allow you to notice a reduction of oiliness in your skin in about 4 to 7 days. Strict obedience to this diet is required. Any small indiscretion can lead to more acne in a day or 2. Multiple studies of people living in their traditional native diets, almost all of which are low fats, based on starches, vegetables, and fruits, have found these people to have little or no acne. When these healthy people learn the Western diet, acne becomes an epidemic, as do the other diseases of modern civilization, such as obesity, heart disease, diabetes, prostate, and breast cancer. Examples of well-studied populations include Kitavan Islanders of Papua New Guinea, who live on a diet of 70% carbohydrates from plant foods, and the Iche of eastern Paraguay, with a diet of about 70% of the calories coming from manioc, that's cassava, a root vegetable. Acne is completely absent. Not a single sufferer in those 2 populations living primarily on unprocessed, low-fat plant foods. People living in Africa on plant-based food diets show similar freedom from acne. Southern African Bantu adolescents have an incidence of acne of 16% compared to the whites in Africa with a 45% incurrence. Zulu have been reported to develop acne only after they move from the villages to the cities and learn a Western diet. People in both Kenya and Zambia have far less acne than do blacks in the USA. People from Malaysia living on rice-based diets have been reported to have no acne problems. A rice-centered diet is also the reason people in rural Japan have very few skin troubles. Even those Europeans on lower-fat diets in Crete and southern Italy have less acne compared to those in Western Europe on higher-fat diets. The Yemenite Jews following a healthier, lower fat diet than European Jews report less acne too. The picture is clear to me. Switch from a plant-based diet to a high-fat Western diet centered on meat and dairy, and your face lights up. Here's today's homework assignment. If you haven't washed your makeup brushes in the last 7 days, take the time to wash them tonight. In tomorrow's lesson, I'm going to share my top secret acne weapon with you. I'm going to introduce you to my emergency acne shrinking tool and explain how to use it properly. By the way, you might already have it in your cabinet. I cannot wait to share this with you. See you tomorrow. Bye.